Hello, traders, and welcome to Weekly Trading Ideas by Elliott Currency. Here is Nenad speaking, and guys, what do we have here? A bit of ranging Monday because, as you already know, we have a Whit Monday. So I wish happy holiday for all who is celebrating today. So today, guys, European banks and Canadian banks are on holiday, so we don't have a bit of volatility. But it didn't stop us to actually trade today. So we had two wins, one loss only. GBP dollar, the first trade was lost. Then we got a long, which was a win. And we also got a long win on the XAU USD, which is gold. So, what should be some trading ideas for the rest of the day and possibly tomorrow? First of all, let me tell you that I'm really focused on gold, which again proves to be one of the best markets to trade. At this point, guys, gold is bullish, and I will be going long if the market starts to drop. So, what I can see from the chart is a lot of confluence here within this zone. So if the market today or tomorrow gets to 1722, 1872, 1873, I think that we will see a bounce. We already see a series of higher highs and higher lows in the chart, and especially if the market drops in the zone, we have also daily level. It's above weekly, so the weekly Camarilla levels should resist, and we should be seeing bouncing off. So anyway, my idea is to buy or to go long on the dips on gold. You can also, guys, check the full trading results here of my ECS live room. So I'm holding a Telegram signal service, which is doing very good, and the results are extremely positive. And you can, of course, always follow my FX book link here and sign up on our website for ECS live service. I will, of course, show you how. So first, this is the link, of course. And of course, if you want to see how to join DCS live service, where I make trades with the exact risk, stop loss, entry, target, trade management, you feel free, guys, to sign up for the ECS live service here. The website is, of course, elliotcurrency.com. And here, guys, sign up for ECS live here. So at this point, I'm very bullish on gold. I think gold, when it goes down, it will bounce up. The target is 1888, but if it breaks, we will retest 1896, 1900 zone. On the other hand, situation about the other markets is not clear. I have GBP New Zealand long executed here. Now currently is in drawdown, but my stop loss is 96. I'm not using big risk, only 0.5% risk, guys. I have very clear money management and very strict money management. That has been a staple of my success in trading for the last many years. I don't know, but since I've been starting to keep my FX book, let's say 5-6 years ago, guys, I'm always doing the exact money management. For that, sign up, of course, for ECS Live. It's not just to know where the markets will know. It's important to know how the big risk we should put, how big the risk we should put in any trade. So GBP New Zealand for me is long. It's at support, below daily, at ATR. So if the market goes up, I might close my trade here, or I might scale out, put the rest to break even around at least for 20-25 pips of profit, and then ride a free ride. So this will be my trade management regarding the GBP New Zealand if it goes up. Euro dollar, guys, also very unclear situation. It started to resist, but I think that later, if it drops, we could see a long, potential long, eventually about around 2180. This could be a long trade, but if it doesn't happen today, tomorrow we need to recalculate and see where the markets are. On the GBP side, GBP dollar side, it needs to break this high in order to proceed further up. So the candle, any candle, daily, 1 hour, 4 hour, needs to close above 41.70. Close above 41.70 will probably instigate a move towards 41.90, and a close above 41.90 will instigate a move towards 42.26 and 42.35. The loss of 41.10, it's a sell, guys, towards 40.95. So this could be a scalp trade, and eventually 40.50. So this is it. Quick trading ideas. I hope that you enjoyed. Of course, guys, for more, sign up for ECS Live. See you very soon.